Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today I'll show you where you can find your Java jdbc connector, database connector. So you have to type here, like I'm typing. Now you can see here MySQL download connector Java. Just simply press here. Now this page will be appear in front of you. You can select your platform here. So you have to press here platform independent. Now you have to download. You can download your compressed star archive or zip archive from here. So I will be download this zip archive. So press download button. There is nothing to use, just press here. No thanks, just start my download, and you can see it need a download location for download your file. By this you can download your Java database connector. Thank you for watching these videos.